Hi, welcome to Graphic Island tutorial. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can apply glittering effect to your design and give an attractive outlook. Here is our design and we want to apply glittering effect to it. The first step, you need to select the shape where you want to apply glittering effect. So let me select the shape. Here is a group of shapes selected together. And now you need to go to the swatches and apply glittering effect from here. In your case, you will not have this glittering effect, so you need to install it. How to do that, I'll show you after applying all the glittering effects. Similarly, select this shape and apply glittering effect. This one, make it white. For this one, we'll apply this green glittering. This one pink, this one green, and again this one pink. So here you can see with one click I applied glittering effect. You can also apply the black background here if you want. Now let me show you how you need to install this glittering effect under your swatches. For that, you need to go to the Google, and here you can search plain glittering background, and here you can see under this Google images there are so many glittering pink images appears. You can open one and you can do save as, and after saving this image you need to open it in Illustrator. So in my case, I have a collection of glittering effect images. Let me show you. These are the glittering images I have already. I saved it because in most of the times I need it because I developed logo. Even sometimes the feminine client, the female client also comes, so they need glittering. So I keep it ready so that I can save my time. So here you can see here this glittering these images are installed here, but here you can't see any glittering images installed here. So to install it here, what you need to do, open the images in your dashboard. So how to open it? Suppose you downloaded the images or you have in your PC, just you need to go to the file, open it, and from here wherever you saved your images, just select it like this and open it. So it will come here. After that, this is the one I want to install it here. Just you need to drag the image and leave it here. You can see it applies here. Suppose this one you need to apply, so just drag it, it will add here. And now if you make any shape, suppose this is the shape you made, and here you want to apply the glittering effect. We already installed our glittering images here. Suppose this is the one you want to apply here, then simply just click it, it will apply. Again you need to select it if you want to change, again click over this, it will change. So this way you can make glittering effect easily in Adobe Illustrator. Hope this video helps you. If you like this tutorial, you can subscribe Graphic Island and remain updated. Thank you.